Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to embed video on Twitter. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Twitter application. Here find video, which video you want to embed on Twitter. Let's say I want to embed this video. Now tap on share icon and copy link. Now go to the browser and here paste the link that you have copied. Tap on allow paste. Now it will open web application of Twitter. Now tap on three dot and now tap on request desktop site. Now zoom in and here tap on three dot. Now here on bottom you can see embed post, tap on it. Now here select embedded video. Now here you can see that code, copy it. And now go back to your Twitter account and tap on plus icon. And here paste the copied code. And then tap on post button. You can see that you cannot post longer. Just keep the coded part and delete other extra code. And then tap on post button. So now you can see that you have successfully embedded video on Twitter. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.